Hello. Well, today I'm going to teach you how to make a Pringles rocket launcher. The ingredients are as follows: surgical spirit, smart water, bottle of 850 milliliter. There you go. Pringles, Texas barbecue. Yummy. Doesn't need to be Texas barbecue, could be any flavour. As long as it's empty and you've got a hole in the bottom of it. Okay. What you need to do, take the lid off the water. Just a cap full of surgical spirit, you don't need a lot. Drop that into your Pringles. Smart water bottle, slot it in, nice and snug fit, snug, and then we go outside. Okay, give your Pringles tube a little shake. Also, I forgot to mention the lighter. And what you do, find the hole. Bit windy today. Woo! There you have it, Pringles rocket launcher.